This is lesson 2.6 in our Go Math book. We're on page 77, and we are learning about number names. The essential question is, how do you write three-digit numbers using words? Our directions here tell us, write the missing numbers in the chart, then find and circle the word form of these numbers below. Our first space is blank, but the next number is 12. We know that 11 comes before 12. 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40, 41, 42, 43, 44, 45, 46, 47, 48, 49, 50, 51, 52, 53, 54, 55, 56, 57, 58, 59, and 60. Now the second part of our directions were to find the numbers that we wrote down below and circle them. So our first number that we wrote was 11. And I see that number 11 is here. Then 14. 14 is here. 29. I see 20 and 9. 35. 35. 46. 46. And 52. 52. Math Talk, describe how to use words to write the number with a 5 in the tens place and a 7 in the ones place. Well, if I were doing a tens and ones number, 5 and 7, I could also write that with words. So the 5 stands for 50, and the 7 is a 7. 57. Turn your paper over so that you are on page 78. We're going to go to the top where it says Model and Draw. You can use words to write three-digit numbers. First, look at the hundreds digit. Then, look at the tens digit and ones digit together. So when we write this, we write 200, and the two digits together, 45. 700, and the two digits together, 13. We're going to do the same thing down below. The first one's done for us, 506. I look at number 2 and I can see that there's a 1 in the hundreds place. So 100, and then the two digits together, 80 with a dash, 9. If you need to stop the video so that you can catch up and get your writing done, you can do that and then just start it again when you're finished. 300, the last two digits together, 28. Now we can also read a number word and then just write the number. So number 4 says 415. So 4 in the hundreds place and then 15. 291. 291. 603. There are no tens here, but 3 ones. 847. 847. 7. Go to your next page. We are on page 79. And on the top, you're going to do exactly what we just did. They have given you number words. You are going to write the number on the line. And for 16, 17, 18, 19, they've given you a number. You're going to write it using words. Turn the page over. Number 20 says, Derek counts 190 cars, which is another way to write this number. So they've done it with a number word. They want you to find 190 below. Number 21, Elma counted 268 leaves, which is another way to write this number. 268. You need to find the expanded form of that. Number 22 says, my 3-digit number has a 4 in the hundreds place. It has a greater digit in the tens place than in the ones place, and the sum of the digits is 6. What is my number? I like to make my 3 places. So my 3-digit number has a 4 in the hundreds place. I'm going to put the 4 there. It has a greater digit in the tens place than in the ones place. Okay. But then it says the sum of the digits is 6. So what do I add to 4 to get to 6? I add 2. So if I put a 2 here, what can go in the ones place? Because remember, the sum of all of my digits has to equal 6. And I have a 4 and a 2. So what can go here? It has to be a 0. So the number is 420. You need to write that number using words. And number 23, there are 537 chairs at the school, which shows this number, 537. Fill in the correct answer, and when you have done that, you will be done.